Just bought a house with a backyard, but have no idea what to do with it. Let's map out your plot right on the satellite view. And let's map out the house location too. Now let's head over to plan.ioguard.com. Let's draw our fence. Set the exact real-world dimensions. Let's outline the house on the plan. Add a pathway. Let's add some custom preferences. Let's save them, choosing the style. English Garden. Set the camera angle. Let's check the view. Great. Hit generate.
Pure magic.
You can download the result. Let's try a different style. Look at that. Try Japanese style. Absolute perfection. Design your own yard at plan.ioguard.com.